across the country, but during the lockdown period, we have gone from physical to digital. And I'm proudly announcing that we have conducted more than 600 hours of teachings in form of workshop, live streaming workshop, in fact, e-conferences and virtual classes from our organization. And we have been selected as one of the best brand for conducting e-events, e-teaching events. We are the one organization who has more than 200 instructors in their panel, and they are globally renowned. We are conducting e-events every month, 2 or 3, that is totally free of cost. That is part of our awareness program. Today only we had 3 different kind of workshops, as well as this is the third one what we are having the awareness program about the depression, how to come out of this. So today's session will be handled by Dr. Vivek Shukla. Dr. Vivek, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm here. Everybody. Good evening.
Hi. Yeah. Warm welcome, Dr. Vivek Shukla. He's going to talk about depression. Frankly speaking, my all friends, I read about depression in my studies, but maybe I'm from the small town of this country, so I never saw anybody with depression. And I really, I'm saying that I never felt what is depression personally. But when my patient started saying that her kind of daughter has failed in class 8 and she has gone into depression, it was not adjustable with me. But as our society is getting developed, I'm seeing more cases of depression, and I can say like more cases of narcissism and more cases of, I can say, obsession than the cases of infection. So once I told the same thing to one of my professor, epidemiology professor, he said that is the one sign that your society is being developed, because people are thinking more, people are traveling more. So I'm really surprised. The best machine over the earth, in fact in the universe, the brain, will give travel one day to all humankind. So Dr. Vivek, kindly enlighten all of us about the depression and how to come out of this, because even we are seeing many people who are on the social media having crores of followers, but still in their own life, I think they are alone. So today is the very important topic. The participants, whoever has joined, kindly listen carefully, and then after that you can have a amazing interaction with doctor, and then there will be participants who will be joining throughout the event. So see you, sir. Anything else?
Yeah, thank you.
Sir can take over now. Yes.
Thank you, Vivek sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for accepting to come and helping everyone. So now this is the everyone is suffering because of this corona pandemic and all. No, most of the people has gone jobs and all. They're all depressed and all. So now over to you to how to take them out from the depression and all. Everyone is waiting for your advice, and so over to you, Vivek sir. Just kindly enlighten us, and everyone is waiting for you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Hari Om, Hari Om. See, everybody has to come out first of the, not the depression, the video. Let me see your faces. Come on, human beings. Let me see your faces. Put on your videos, everybody. I'm here, Vivek. We'll spend 1 full hour of our life enjoying and learning something very new. I'll share with you a lot of things. Yes, now you can see some human beings. Good one, good one, good one. And I promise you, next 60 minutes, we will make it practical. Yes. Okay. So those of you can see me, hi, hello, namaste, good evening. Now we will of course start with, because you're on camera, the first thing we will start is with some basic exercises. Very important. We will start with Om. Everybody will say Om. Keep your hands free, keep your mobile at some place. Okay. We will be speaking for 60 minutes nearly, approximately. And we will have a PPT, and we will have talks, and we will also, if allowed, you can always have your questions, right? Oh, exercise ke naam se some videos are off. No, everybody, come on, show me your faces. This is very important. We have to always, the whole day we keep on sitting. The corona has made computer our friend, right? C for corona, C for computer. So it has to become either corona or computer. So we have made friendship with computer. Computer the whole day? Okay, wow. Come on. Now we will stretch our hands, little bit. Come on, everybody, stretch your hands, little bit. If you are on screen, this is very important. The whole day, 1 time, 2 time, 100 times. Every half an hour I do this, and I promise I'll make you do all these things. Namaskaram, namaskaram. Oh, namaskaram. Everybody, namaskaram. Indian people love namaskaram. Now I will tell you the main thing in namaskaram. If you do namaskar at a stomach, do your namaskar at a stomach, and this will reduce your tension, depression. Namaskaram at your stomach and crossing your thumbs, Namaskaram at the stomach, crossing your thumbs. Okay. So namaskaram at your thumb, crossing your thumbs, increases chakras. Wow, interesting. Is that good? Namaskaram, hands straight at your belly, and the fingers, the thumbs have to be crossed. This is very important part. Keeping your hands straight, this improves your chakras. Depression, this kills. Antidote, very important. Hari Om. Okay, Hari Om. We will start with doing a simple Om. Om is keeping your eyes closed. Om, Amin, Omen. You can just see. We will do that because we are starting a lecture of 60 minutes. Okay, 1 or 2 times, keeping your eyes closed. Keeping your eyes closed. And 10 breathings, counting 10 breathings. Keeping your eyes closed. Normal breathing. Observe your breathing. Very important, everybody. Wonderful. Excellent. Now we'll take a deep breath. Very good. The murr has to be very, very long in your brain, like a honeybee. Very long murr. Longer the corona vacation, longer the murr. Come on, everybody. 3 times. Wonderful. I can see everybody doing it. Everybody, please put your videos on. Yes, we're going to enjoy the session. Very good. The longer you breathe, the longer murr you get. Murr is very important. If you're a housewife, you're a houseman, you are a student, you are a corporate, please do this every day when you're online. Before online class, after online class, very important. Every cell of your body will get relaxed. You will get tension free. Okay, this is very important. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Yes. Now we will start with some talks. I'll show you some animation, some videos. Ready for that? Are we ready for it? Okay. Ready, guys? Oh, my computer is showing this. What is this? Sleep, lockdown, restart. What do I do? The whole year 2020 is going in sleep, lockdown, or restart. We have options. Wow, that's great. God has given me options. I can either lock down myself. The government has locked down the system, but not me. I am God. Aham Brahmasmi. I have the power. Can I sleep? I can sleep. Can I lock down? I can lock down. But I also have the third option. It is restart. Can I restart my life? With a break. With a break. This is my restart button. I press it. Restarting, restarting, restarting. Okay. Okay, that's great. Oh, everywhere, TV, computer, mobile, internet, news, everybody is talking of corona and cases and disorders and tension and depression. And you're seeing many people they are getting depressed and talking and all that. Oh, so tell me, please keep your pen and pencils ready. Please keep your pen and pencils ready. When will this end? When will this end? July? August, September, October, November, December, 6 months, 1 year, Please, on the chat box, give me the answers. Come on, everybody. Tell me the answers on the chat box. Very important. Let me see it live. What are your views and suggestions? I would love to see your chat boxes. Will it be July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months, 1 year? Guys, remember, I am a microbiologist. So I love answers. So, oh, 1 year, 1 year, is 1 year, 6 months. Wow. Actually, I am not a microbiologist. Everybody has all the knowledge. I'm feeling so happy. Whatever I learned in college, everybody in the TV is showing the same knowledge. Wow, virus. I had thought it would be in September, but now it's more. Right, you got it right. First wave by September, second wave by November, December. Everybody is so talented, so knowledgeable. Wow, great. 1 year for sure. Yes, we never know, but yes, viruses take time, and the new viruses take more time. Very good. So when we're aware, we're tension free. Right, that's going good. Okay, we go to the next slide. When did SARS and MERS and AIDS virus end? Remember, SARS virus, AIDS virus. AIDS was 20 years ago. SARS and AIDS is 30 years ago. SARS and MERS are 10, 15, in the last 10, 15 years, 2 times they occurred, right? They took at least 1 to 3 years. The effect continues. It is a marathon race. It is a marathon race. So relax, chill. Come on, everybody take out a pen and paper. I want to see, I'll give you 10 to 15 questions just to check your status. Please keep on writing yes and no in your papers. And then you will tell me finally how many yes and how many no you got. Okay? Please make notings of this. This is just a very small test just to check yourself. Be honest, nobody's seeing your answers. Total 15 questions. Let me see how many yes and how many no you get. Are you feeling overworked? Are you feeling that you have to work extra, like work in a new model, work in a new medium? Next question, memory. Are you facing that your memory is fading? That you're feeling more, you're forgetting things? Is it that way? Think about this. Okay, next, are you feeling nervous? Are you feeling anxious? Is your body shaking? Are you feeling excited? You go to stand and run and panic? Are you feeling that way? Okay, this is more common. Are you feeling angry? Now guys, stress and depression are 2 different things. Stress is every day. Depression is not every day. Okay, there are different phases. Stress is good. Depression can be removed. Don't worry. Anger. Do you have anger and frustration? Do you have yes or no? Concentration. Concentration. Are you facing problem in concentrating? You're just in the time of the work you're doing online. Are you getting distracted? Oh, I don't feel like. Okay, next question. Feeling burnt out. Are you feeling burnt out? Are you feeling very tired? Are you feeling tired? No more energy left. Yes, I will take your questions afterwards. If you have any queries, I will definitely take them after the session, after PPT ends. If anybody has a question, we will have a session for that. I promise you that. Burnt out, yeah, burnt out is like you have exhausted your energy. Yes, this is an important question. If you're feeling difficulties, that life is overpowering you, that you are lost, or are you feeling such a thought? Is such a thought coming to your mind? That you cannot face it? Of course we can, but is that thought coming across in your mind? Next question. Functioning. Is the overall functioning in a personal life or work getting affected? Yeah, this is a very important question. Are you feeling like not talking to people, not talking to family members, not talking to friends, not talking to your colleagues. Are you feeling this in any way? Please don't write in the chat now. You can count them. Please take a pen and paper. You can count the yes. So that you don't have to type, no? You can keep on writing the yes and no on a piece of paper. Anyways, this is not an exam, of course. This is to make you aware. Some questions to make you aware. And don't worry, the answer is very easy. I'll come to that. Few more slides to go. Are you feeling sad and hopeless? Are you feeling sad? Simple answer, yes or no. Simple. Don't think too much. Are you feeling energy loss or motivation loss? You may feel more motivated to work because I feel I should work more for my family and my kids and my wife and my parents and the extended family because I have to prove myself. Is it that way or you're feeling no, exhausted? Eating more or less. I do that, you do that, most of us do that. For a few days, okay, but for the last 2 months, 3 months, are you eating more or less? Do you realize that? Is it more or less? Has your eating habits changed? Sleeping more or less? Is sleeping, are you sleeping more or you're sleeping less than usual? Just a few questions more, just 3 or 4 questions more left. Anger and rage, I'll skip that question. Thoughts of suicide, no, not valid here. Okay. Feeling that you can't, this question, feeling bad about yourself. Are you feeling guilty or bad? This is due to me that my family is not able to get the vegetables, the fruits or the resources, or I'm not able to take them for a vacation or picnic. I cannot roam outside. I am guilty. Come on, it's time for the neck to be straightened. Everybody. Straighten your necks. Everybody, come on. Everybody has to straighten your necks because it has been 10 minutes sitting online, 10 minutes. Oh, the body has to be relaxed. We cannot just drool towards the screen. We have to relax our neck. The neck has to be straight. Yes, the neck has to be straight. We have to realize this. This will activate the windpipe and the oxygen pipe, the pipeline, and we will feel better. Okay, so please, one exercise again, we will go for 15-second exercises. Okay, so the first exercise we did was this one and stretching, and now I tell you the neck you go behind and just do half the turns, not the full turn, half the turn from the behind side, half the turns, or go left right, only 5 times. 15 seconds we will do this. In 1 hour, I will teach you practical tips to not to get depression in your body. No, very important. Please do this. 1 hour every day will get a practice. Thank you. 15 seconds over. Thank you. Very good. Doing great. So this is what, when you straighten the neck muscles, your body gets in posture, blood flow, oxygen flow starts. Now, what is this happening? I am a microbiologist and I will tell you this virus thing is happening because Mother Nature loves you. And when Mother Nature loves you, Mother Nature cleans the house. So Mother Nature is cleaning. This cleaning happens periodically and it has been happening every 100 years in the nature. And it uses microbes. See, there is a photo of these animals, lemmings. They commit mass suicide when they are overpopulated, you know. So this way, natural method is this virus pandemics. Don't worry, this is not something new. This has been occurring in the world. It will happen and it will go away nicely. Just some precautions. Be very, very happy. Yeah, now there was the story of Birbal and Akbar. I know you know them. Now, Akbar said, Birbal, tell me something which will make me not very happy when I'm sad and not very sad when I'm happy. And Birbal told him, ये वक्त गुजर जाएगा. This too will pass away. The moods, the emotions you are facing today is just temporary. They don't belong to your future. Tomorrow this will not happen. Just because there is lesser job, lesser salary, lesser work today does not mean tomorrow it will be the same. In fact, after this vacation, this corona vacation, we will have more work. We will have more, we have to relax because we have to work harder. The boss will give you more targets. The yearly plan remains the same for the company, right? So be ready, take relaxation, and grace yourself happily that we are having a simple, beautiful, natural vacation. The same is said in Gita. जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, और जो होगा वो भी अच्छा ही होगा. So don't worry at all. परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. Change is the rule of nature, and it will change. It is changing. It is changing for better, right? Definitely. Oh, depression. Now we will talk of depression. Now stress is a small thing. Depression is the very high level thing. Please understand this very carefully. Okay. Stress. I get stressed 1,000 times in a day. My boss calls me, it's stress. Oh, boss is calling. I'm stressed. But depression is if continuous stress is called depression. Okay. So you feel like being isolated. You feel you have no energy, no concentration. Now, can I have the number of yes and no's you had in the question list? Please put in the chat box. Put the yes and no's. We will see energy level, concentration level, anger level, food, sleep, thoughts, sadness, isolation. Right? We had those talks, right? These are the basic symptoms. You can put the number of yes or the no's. Are your number of yes more than 5, 6, 7, or 8? Are your number of yes more than 11 yes and 3 no? Somebody saying 5. Somebody has 7 yes. Very good. You have putting the answers. I'm happy for that. I'm getting more answers. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Acknowledging is the first way to success. If you want to become bigger in life, you have to acknowledge where you are, realize where you are. You will realize where you are. 12 years. Okay, we have got 12 years. Some person has put 12 years. Okay, all no's and no yes. Wow, somebody has no yes and somebody has no no's. Good one. Variety of answers. 0 yes and 12 yes. Variety of people we have got. Yes. Okay. And I have some more messages now. 4 no's and 5 yes. 4 no's and rest are yes. 5 no's and rest are yes. I have a lot of variety people. Sir, we have got a variety of people from various walks of life. And yes, it's good that you are answering. And I think that question have worked a lot. I think it helped you realize what the various situations we are in. Good. Yes, thank you very much. I'll proceed further. Yeah, be ready with the questions. You can ask me personalized questions. I will answer you. I do as a psychologist. I can even analyze your voice. Don't worry. Feel free to talk to me anytime. Don't chat. I'll give you time. Then let us finish some more PPTs. Okay. So here we go. Depression. What can you do? Travel, doctor, eat, antidepressants, don't eat food, medicine, but food is medicine, sleep, yoga, positive thoughts, creativity, music, follow a schedule, get up at 5 o'clock every morning, sleep at a fixed time every day. I have been calling people from various countries and you will not believe it. Many countries, people are getting up at work at 8 o'clock. India also will get up and work at 8 o'clock. India will get up at 5 o'clock. We will think we are on work. We will wear a shirt, wear a pant, wear a formal dress. You know, be ready, tie up, dress up. That will give you good thoughts. Communication, bathing. We will talk about all this. Okay, one by one. Now, I will tell you what happened. Last year, I got an injury and it was a scooter fall. I fell from the scooter. And then the homeopath doctor made me realize, oh, it was linked to the thoughts. I mean, how can thoughts be linked with my accident? The answer is yes. Everything has a linking with your brain. If it is depression, it affects the entire body. No cell is left behind. It's we always say the thought. The Dadi Amma saying is that your stomach is upset, your head is upset, and they have proof now. The hormones communicate. Your stomach is upset, your brain is upset, and then your heart gets affected, and the kidneys, and then the inflammation, joint pains. The whole body is a system. Depression is a combined indication that the body is unwell, and it can get well. Physical symptoms: are you feeling suffocation, irritation, rapid heartbeats? No, it is not corona. Rapid heartbeats are not corona. Rapid breathings are not corona, one or twice. Okay. Lot of symptoms and diseases overlap, so don't get worried too much. Yeah, sleep problems definitely are an indication. If you are unable to sleep, or you sleep less, sleeping more actually is a lower form, but sleeping less is definitely a problem. Appetite: are you not feeling like eating? That is more important. And are you feeling tired? Tired definitely has a mental connection. We will talk about that. Now, how does it happen? Okay, so we have in our ancient literature the koshas: Annamay, Pranmay, Manomay, Vigyanmay, Anandamay. So we'll focus on Anna and Man. Anna and Man, the blue and the red, have connection. What you eat decides your brain, and what is in the brain decides your digestive system. So if the stomach is upset, the brain is upset. If you have
You're not audible, sir.
Sir is connected.
I think it's some network issue.
Uh, Di- Divakar? Divakar, sir?
Hello.
Please call him.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir is back.
Sir, kindly unmute, sir. Dr. Vivek.
Unmute.
Yes. Fine.
Okay. Everybody, palming, exercise time. The slide says palming time. Put your hand palms on your eyes. So much of TV time, screen time is bad, no? Palming, 15 seconds. Everybody, come on. Cover your eyes with your palms. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And promise me, every lecture on the internet, you will do this the whole day. Office work, whatever work. Okay? 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15. Exercise, the previous one. 1, 2, we will just repeat the previous ones, right? We will repeat the previous ones. Fine? And now I'll go, next time we will have one more exercise. Fine? Come on, back to the slides. So we will do palming every 10 minutes in all the online activities. Very important. Now here it comes. The basic need is water, food, sleep, breathing. Initial time of the corona lockdown, this was not available. So we were having problems. Second level, we think of security. Do I have enough money for the next 4 months? What about my employment? Will I get reduced salary? And third is family, and fourth is confidence, and fifth is morality. But suddenly we are just thinking of level 1, 2, and 3. Not even family, we're thinking about food and security, right? The basic needs. So understand this, what we're thinking. The nature wants us to think back about breathing, food, homeostasis, maintaining balance, water, sleep, maintaining mental health. Maintaining mental health. And that will lead to safety and security. So we are rebooting because God has chosen to us for a very big work. there is definitely better work coming in the world, right? So understand this very, very carefully that now we have to focus on basics. Next time the pandemic comes, we will be ready with more money, more security, more safety, more family health, more confidence, and more creativity. Okay, so we all know chakras. Indian people, we know chakras, right? So look at the first chakra, survival, fear. We have the fear of the virus. Downmost thing. Fear is creating, can we will we survive? And the second is guilt. Am I able to provide for my family? How will my family survive? Pleasure, shame, grief, lies. These are the issues we are facing it. And the chakras we have to activate. We activate the chakras, the fear goes, the guilt goes, shame goes. Survival, pleasure, willpower, love, truth, they develop in our body and brain. Depression means we have lost the willpower, we have to regain it, restart it, right? So we will talk about that. The first concept is I am God. I am the Pratibimb. I am the reflection of God. So I have the same powers as Lord Brahma, as the Lord, as the God. I am Brahma. I am God. Each one of us has the complete power to think and do whatever we can. Believe me, guys, you think and it happens. Just think and give the message to the universe, it will happen. Every word in the Shastra says that. All the science says that whatever you think happens. Believe yourself. It is possible. It is the cleaning time of the house, guys. Just the cleaning time. Prepare well, and after the vacation, we have to do a better world and make the world a better place, right? Definitely. Oh, I was telling you. Oh, I cannot tell you the secret. No, should I tell you the secret? What is the remedy for corona? Steaming. Sounds bad, sounds weird. Do it one time a day. I'll not do it today because our topic today is psychology, right? Steaming, do steaming and the virus gets killed. It stays in the nose for 3 days. You kill it by the steam. Simple, you don't need any medicines if you do this. Medicines are there, but then prevention is the best way, right? But today, this topic I will not talk. We can talk some other day. Okay, so there was this shloka which says, "Ki for my village, I will sacrifice. For my family, I will sacrifice myself. For my village, I will sacrifice my family. If a time comes, my country needs my village, I will sacrifice my village for the whole country. If the world needs my country, I will sacrifice my country." But then it says finally, if I need to sacrifice the whole world for me, I will sacrifice the whole world for me. That is what the God says. That is our dharma. That is our karma. We have to sacrifice the whole world for ourselves. That is what God has made us for, right? We are here to use the resources of the world and grow. And that's what is the command of God. That's what is our kartavya and karma. So don't feel shy, work harder, definitely. Now, feeling depressed, feeling sad, negativity, oh, coronavirus, we have 135 crore people and the corona has not yet reached 10 lakh. It will keep on growing, man. Not even 1% has happened, right? 1% is 1 crore, no? So on the TV, corona, on the TV, corona, right? Oh, it will grow. Don't worry. It will multiply. But you have to multiply your willpower. Okay? If the depression voice says something, use a logic and do the opposite. Simple way, depression voice will say relax, you will not relax. Simple, simple funda. Do the opposite. Do the opposite. Yes, I was teaching you this. Namaskaram, everybody, namaskar. We will do the namaskar nicely. How we do this? Cross your thumbs, put the hand near your belly, and this will activate your chakras. Actually, this namaskar is used to activate the chakras, make you a better person. Try it out for 5 seconds today and every day. Please try it right now. Close your eyes and just cross the thumb. Very important. Keep your fingers straight. You will feel better things. You will feel better for sure. I promise you that. This activates chakra 1 and 2. Okay, the fear goes, fear, tension goes. Press your thumb, press your hands with each other. Yes, I can see many people doing it. Thank you, you're doing it very nice, everybody. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. 5 seconds. That's it. Do it every day and you will see, I promise you, you will see the result in 5 days. You will feel so good, so positive. Fear will go away from your life. Now, next. Okay, my wife says, hey, you don't clean the house. And what I do, I don't clean the house. I have decided to remove only the waste papers. So I will not clean the house. I will divide the work in small, small goals. I will remove trash today. I will remove this area today. I will not check all my emails. I will check emails only with the alphabet A today. Okay. I will sort out my photos in my phone, not today. I will sort out only for the particular month of January. Don't do all the laundry. I will go by color. Divide the work in small, small, small parts. One time, one. Pressure, depression, tension comes when you are multitasking. So if you are getting stressed out, relax. One time, one work. One time, one work. That will make you tension free. I'm eating. I have now stopped using my mobile. I have stopped watching TV. I will eat. I will eat. I will not watch mobile. One time, one activity. Okay. Now I reward myself. I just reward myself. And I personally love sleeping. So whenever I do something good, I sleep. I love sleeping. Extra sleeping is not bad. Guys, people have a fear, oh, I will sleep and do something. No, extra sleeping in Corona time is good. Lesser sleeping is an issue. Extra sleeping is okay. The body, you can't sleep for 24 hours, right? You will wake up. Don't worry. Relax. Okay? So be happy. Next. Okay, exercise time. The first one, we will repeat all the previous ones. 1, 2, I told you this one, right? And then we did the neck one. Everybody, I'm so happy everybody doing it. And so I can see people doing it. Second is the neck one from behind side, behind side. Very good, very good, very good, very good, wonderful. The third was this namaskaram, namaskaram. Very good, simple, simple. Now the fourth one is stretching at the side. See what this lady is doing. Stretch towards the left side. Turn, 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 turn. 5 seconds. Wonderful. Slowly come ahead and go to the right side. Slowly. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. The liver, the pancreas, the gallbladder, the intestine, uterus, the stomach gets activated. This is very important. Online, if you're doing online, I promise you, you will not see the screen for 60 minutes in 1 hour. You will see the screen for 35 minutes and take such small, small breaks. Very important. This is for the brain. These are not exercises, guys, for the body. Okay. This is for the brain. Yes. Next. If I'm feeling stressed, I will cry, I will scream, I will shout, I will write down my feelings. Not on the Instagram, not on the Twitter. Learn to take a paper and a pen. Guys, it was an old story, no? Do it again. Write down on paper your feelings. After 1 year, you will enjoy. Oh, how are you feeling that Corona period? We are the warriors. Every one of us is a Corona warrior. We are fighting this. Doctors, okay. But what about the common man whose salary is half? Some people have not got salary and they are still running the house. Great, man. Clap for yourself. Everybody should clap for yourself. You are doing a great job by surviving this period. Clap for yourself and every family member in a house. This is a very great time to be in this situation. And when we grow old, we will tell our grandchildren we had survived the pandemic, right? You have to feel good for you. Write down your thoughts and feelings. This will help you in your life. Do something you enjoy. I love doing some things, and I go walk, I hear the birds, I love music, and I do a lot of activities, guys, lot of activities. Okay, I see green. My grandfather and his grandfather and his grandfather, everybody was walking in the green, green, green. So I'm programmed. I am a robot. I'm programmed. Green, happy. Green, happy. So I go. I just, I actually put my head in the leaves. I feel good. I touch the leaves with my head. I feel good. I see green. I feel good. Everybody, you should see green every day. Feel tired? Go out. Watch some green plants, small little plants. Grow some tomato seeds in your house, garlic seeds. Put them in the plant. Go out and see the greenery. Green, green, green. Green helps you a lot. Hey, next time, this is very important, guys. Come on, the first exercise, first step. We will repeat every time all the steps very fast. Come on, first, second is the neck. Very good, very good. Thank you very much. Everybody's doing so good. Everybody doing fantastic. Yes. Now the third was side thing. You did the side one. Thank you. Everybody is doing wonderful. Yeah. Super. I got great crowd. Wow. And fourth is this. Press depression. Press all your fingers. Press all your fingers. Look here on the screen. Press your fingers. Press your fingers like this. Press it. Press it. Pressing it very hard. The fingertips. Fingertips. Very important. This is not exercise for the body, for the brain. The tips. Press the tips. Press it, press it, press it. Yeah, acupressure, all the points will be activated. I promise you that. Every day. Very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wonderful. Yeah, next slide. I love my family. I will speak to them in person. I will take a phone call. I will do a video call. I will do the interaction. I love my family. I'll go and do something more. I'll go and talk to the watchman. Did he have tea on time? I will go and try to help somebody in small little way. Something, if you have an energy issue, depression, release energy, energy flows, right? Simple. Do something, think something good. Donate 100 rupees online for some active charity trust. Why not? Good, no? Energy blockage will go away, right? Small steps. I taught you small steps. Everybody was doing exercises. Small steps will let you grow. Okay, meditation, we all know. Can we do it again? Five breathing exercises. Close your eyes. 5 breathings. Count 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, very good. That's it. Everything is on breathing. Oh, I am a dietitian actually. So whatever you eat and drink, no, just reduce your tea. Just reduce your tea and you will be happy. Guys, reduce your oil and tea because it's not working hard. I'm a dietitian, we can have a session someday, but go for green vegetables whenever you don't get it. Eat simple dosa, simple idli, simple rice, dal, it's okay. Reduce the tea. I will not give you a diet plan, but you can reduce the tea, okay? Come on, one more exercise. Let us do all of them one again. One, the first one. Yes, 2 times. Thank you. Second one, this one. Yes. Third one, side, and side, and side. Yeah. And the fourth one, the tips, right? The tips. Yes. And the fifth is I am relaxing on my palms. See my palms. Palms. I am pressing the neck. Pressing the neck. Press. Body straight. Pressing the neck with my hands. Press. Very good. Wonderful. Excellent. Okay. Thank you. Let's come back. Walk. And we have to walk and sleep. Walking is life. Walking will activate the whole energy level, hormones, everything. Walk. 1 time, 2 time, 5 minutes, 1 time. In 1 day, 5 times. Simple. 5 minutes, 1 time. Show me your thumbs. If you understand this, please show me your thumbs. 5 minutes, you promise me. 5 minutes for your family. 5 members, 5. Walk for 5 minutes, not in the house. Ladies working in the house, no. I want bahar ka, outside energy, outside oxygen. Okay, fine. Ladies do a marathon in the house. They walk for 40 kilometers. Research has proved in the house. Great ladies. But then the lady has to go out for the family. Walk for yourself 1 minute, for your family. Each member 1 minute. 5 minutes, 5 times. Promise? I want to see more thumbs. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, walk. Clinical test? No, you don't need it. I am telling you, there are some very basic foods, garlic, I will give you cloves, tulsi. You don't need clinical psychiatrist. You need psychologists like me, not psychiatrists, no medicines. Only very rare cases you need, okay? Don't worry, okay? I have taught you this thing now. This is the best medicine. You will save lakhs of rupees by doing this. Promise me, do it every day. Okay, now please note this. This is very important. Stress and depression are different. Stress is daily. Stress is daily. Depression is when you start withdrawing from people. Okay? So if that is there, then yeah, one person had 11 yes and 12 yes. They need to do more exercises. Udyogo narabhushanam. Man should work. 4,000 years ago, they had said man should work. We have to keep on working. And if we don't work, we get in depression. Walk and work and also sleep. I will get up at 5 o'clock. I will get up at 5 o'clock. I will get up at 5 o'clock. I will eat on time. I will eat on time. Everything on time, right? Fine. Uh, Now, ayogya purusham nasti. There is no person who cannot do everything. Every person is capable. Every person is capable. Like this shloka, give me a thumb. Every person is capable. This is what the Shastra says. I don't say that. Every person is yogya. We can. Psychological impact, we will leave it. Okay, come on, exercise time. Come on. One more. The first one. This is the first one. Now, look here. Stretch it. Pull one side. Pull. Very good. Everybody will do it. You're in the house, do it. I'm saving lakhs of rupees for your body. No depression lifelong. Promise, guarantee. Stretching sideways, and this again, and the fingers. You did that. And namaskaram. Great. Wonderful. See, out of 60 minutes, I'll never have making you do exercise for 20 minutes, right? That's cool, no? Love yourself. I love myself. I have got more time to love my family and myself. I respect my emotions. I respect my feelings. I will take a warm bath. I will bath longer. I will read more. I love myself. I just love myself. Okay? Set my limits. Learn to say no. If I don't want to do, I will not do. My children, I put them on work. Do this, do that. I will also relax, right? Husbands start working, taking work from wives also. It will help them also and make a better family, right? Hey, palming time, guys. Come on, 15 seconds palming. Once again, palming 15 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. I can see everybody doing it. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. This is psychological benefit. Corona. 1 crore people in India will get affected. Don't watch TV every day. 27,000 affected. It will carry on, guys. I'm a microbiologist. This will carry on. We have huge population. Don't worry about news. It will carry on and go away. Right? Say Hari Om and be happy. Press your hands. Get stress free. Oh, one more. Come on, everybody. This is very important. This is the opposite of this. Look here. Please look at me. This is the thing. This is opposite. Pull. Come on. Press the fingertips. Very good. Excellent. Everybody. Super. Got it. Now, read this. Reorganize. Slow down. Relax. Think the period will go away and a better day will come. Okay? Now, don't say I'm stuck. Do one time, one thing. I have covered that, right? Observe green. Green observing is very, very important. Daily dose, sir. Daily dose. Walking. Yes, this is my favorite. Try this and I guarantee you will never go to a psychologist or psychiatrist. Observe the clouds and sky for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Very hard, very important, and very refreshing. Manomay, Pranmay. This is a very top secret. Look at far away things. Very far away things. Talk with small children and talk with very, very old people. All the tension is reduced, man. Everything is reduced. Everything. Daily dose. I train small children. I am very happy. I'm never stressed. Food is God. Annapurna Brahma. I am a dietitian. I will not talk on this because yes, you can see you have to increase your nuts. You are going nuts. Everybody's going nuts. I'll also go nuts. Show me your thumbs. We'll go nuts. Come on, let's go nuts. Not in the brain, in the body, right? Nuts are proteins. It will help you. And then they never go nuts. Yoga is 8 things. Yum is the first thought. You thought, you came here, right? Now you'll follow a schedule, niyam. and then our exercise, and then food, right? Understood? Yoga means total of 8 things. First, we thought that I want to come for this session. I need to hear about this. Second, I'll make a schedule. You participated in the exercise. Wonderful, man. And tomorrow onwards you'll do it daily, right? Ahar and exercise come later. That's okay. This is my favorite. Everybody, coffee and tea. Leave half the cup in the cup. Wife will give you full cup. Leave half. Less caffeine in the body. Like it, show me a thumb. Show me a big thumb. Show me a clap if you like it. You cannot refuse wife. She will say, don't waste tea, but you will not drink half cup tea. Whatever is there in the cup, make it half. If you make it half, drink half. Leave half. This will help you reduce your kPs. I love watercoloring. Try this. Try this, man. It has been 20 years you use a watercolor, right? School time, no? Do it now. Stress buster. Scream, shout, say om, say ah. Some ketones are released. Tension is released. Not always. Don't disturb others. But yes, do that. Very important. Exercises you have promised me, right? 5 minutes, 5 times a day. 5 minutes. Show me your thumbs again. Everybody. Come on. Last 2 minutes of our session. Thank you. Forward bending. Yeah, forward bending exercises reduce tension. Forward bending exercise yogas reduce tension. Forward bending exercises, all types. Water. I drink water. I am in water. I soak water. I go in rain, not too much. I take bath more in water. Water, water, water. No depression. Watch the rains. It helps. Reduce Google time. Rubik, Casio, guitar, yoga, flowers, birds, pictures. Next time, be prepared for the next pandemic. Create a home library. Grow home plants, tomato, garlic, whatnot. You can experiment with seeds in the house. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, do your house. Clean your house. Very important. Come on. One more left. Everybody. The first one, this one. The second one, side stretching. Very good. Side stretching. Third one, neck. Fourth for the fingers. Fingers. Yes. Yes. Fingers. So this is the whole stretch. Full side stretching. Liver, heart, kidney, pancreas, stomach area, all the organs get activated. Stay there for 5 seconds. Stay there for 5 seconds. Online class, very important. Very important. Very, very important. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Be creative. The earth is rebooting. Please wait. You can restart your life, right? Today, I promise I will be without mobile computer for 10 minutes. Every day, I'll be without computer for 10 minutes and increase the time daily. Let's challenge ourselves. I want to earn for my family. I want to work for my family. I have to make my brain more faster. I will be without TV, screen, gadgets, computers for 10 minutes. I promise to myself. I show a thumb for myself. Show a thumb for myself. Survive, health. The pandemic, finally, Corona has taught us. Corona Mata, somebody was doing puja, Corona Mata Prasanna Ho in the village. Health is important than wealth. Corona is teaching us how to survive in basics. Right? Food, don't eat stale. Asha, be hopeful. Asha Mahasadhi. The intelligent people never leave hope. Never leave hope. Come on, guys. Last palming, last one. We end the session here. Palming. 15 seconds. Everybody, come on. That's great. I can see people doing it. 1, 15 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Everybody is doing so great. 13, and 14, and 15. That's great. Awesome, man. Great. Thank you very much. I need a clap from all of you. Everybody clap because you did this for yourself. Last vacation, I did not go to London. This summer, I will not go to Switzerland. I'll stay in India. Right? Thank you very much, guys. Now we can have a questions.
Thank you.
Over to the organizers.
Yeah, thank you.
Please unmute yourself and ask questions. Sir is ready to take your questions.
Please ask your whatever your problem, whatever your queries, please, if you don't want to show your face, please switch on your video, switch off your video. You can ask directly without your video.
Yes, Galaxy A30, raise your hand. Please speak, Galaxy A30.
1 second, I have to unmute them. 1 second.
Any exercise for kidney health? Yes. See, I am a dietitian. I work in a hospital, and I will tell you, I also do yoga, and this for the kidney and all that. So actually, these things are very important, and drinking water is important at time. What happens? We drink too much and too less, so the kidney stones are developed. I'm making science very basic for you, right? I'm not giving you all details of science, but yes, this side stretching is for the stomach, intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, all the stomach organs. Yes, that is for there. There definitely. Yes, please ask questions. I would love if you can speak.
Yeah, please, one by one.
Please don't chat because I hate. It's very boring to read. Please speak out.
Please
I would love
unmute.
to see your faces.
Please unmute. Please unmute yourself and ask your doubts. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, hi.
Yeah.
Sir, I am telling in hello.
Yes,
In
yes.
palming exercise, did I have to close my eyes?
Yes, no, yes, you have to close your eyes, and I have removed specs of people. I have removed specs. I do that. I have removed tension, depression, suicide cases by palming. Palming is a great exercise. Close your eyes and cover them with palm. No light should come. Cross your fingers and do this for 15 seconds after every online class. I promise my body, after every online class I attend for work, for job, I will do this. Right? Yes. Next question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Very welcome, sir. I'm so happy.
Yeah, you can unmute yourself and ask questions.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, is there any specific exercise for migraine headaches?
Oh, yes. Migraine headaches. See, the first thing I told you, look here, everybody, please look here. What is happening is, even I am drooling. Even my body is drooling, right? So what I have to do, all the stress comes in the neck, no, sir, right? So you should do this. I will turn myself and show you. I am doing this, but I want to do this, the back exercise. So in short, I can tell you this, do the back exercises every day. And therefore I gave you all these things. This is moving your neck. Everything is moving your neck. The pipeline is the neck, no, sir? So that is important. And migraine is also linked with your mental thought process, manomaya and annamaya, right? So food and thinking. So I promise you exercises. I'm so happy everybody has done for 20 minutes. I made you do that and you did that. Great. And carry on doing that. In 5-6 days, you will get results. Sir. I have made a combination and this will exercise your whole organ system. Yes. Thank you. Please speak. Neeraj, speak. I will make it personalized. Don't worry. But then I will not reveal your personal details to anybody. But I would love if you can speak, anybody and everybody. If you feel sad, if you feel
please
sad,
unmute yourself and speak.
Please unmute.
Hi, this is
because while talking, I'm unable to read the chats.
Yeah, sir.
There are so
No,
many chats,
I can understand, and it's always good that like if participant unmute themselves and ask personally question to you, that will be of different kind of bonding. So I request Nirja madam, please unmute yourself and ask your question to here. It's totally confidential platform. Nothing will be said to anybody.
Now see, why do I feel sad and depressed? I will give you one hint. Okay, one hint. Why do I feel sad? Because I feel I am not able to do more as much as I did in January, right? Fine. Republic Day I did more. Independence Day I don't think I'm doing more, right? Fine. So I feel sad. So but then when you realize कि okay, the whole world is getting swept out, झाड़ू लग रहा है, cleaning system going on, no? Everybody's salary is half cut. My salary is half cut in my company. Everybody's salary is half cut, right? So then if we see everybody has the same problem, everybody is in the same boat, everybody has got a time to reboot. You know, after Second World War, this is the biggest event in the world. Biggest event in the world. It has changed the life of every person in the world. Every person is affected. I am training right now people from all over the world in US, Dubai, Australia, UK, or Africa. Daily I'm talking with them. Everybody has changed. Everyone has changed. So be happy. Be happy. It's a new restart button, right? Yes. Next question, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
I'm telling sir, if I have to do the exercises in order, or I can do it, I can start
No
from
order.
anyone.
No order, sir. No order. I will be very happy if I can do मेरा अच्छा कर्म अच्छा हो जाएगा. If you follow this daily, any sequence, if I can share my knowledge, any sequence, sir, which will help you. हाँ. After, sir, please note, every day you have work online, right, sir? So after every
Yes,
session
sir.
of your online work, you will do this. Promise to yourself. Any
Thank you.
sequence. Any
Thank you,
sequence.
sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. My
Hello,
pleasure.
sir. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Your name, please say your name, sir, so I can see you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Your name, please.
This is Ayyappan.
Ayappan. Yes, sir.
Sir, do you have any?
One
do
by
you have
one.
any- Yeah. Do you have any management for obsessive and compulsive disorder?
Yes, definitely. Sir, obsessive compulsive disorder. Okay. Now, many people will find this very hard to understand, but actually this is a type of mental issue. I will make it simple. See, I'm here holding this wire. The wires are stretched out. Okay, when the wires of my body and brain are stretched out, then we have these disorders. Okay, so which needs a comprehensive training. In 1 hour I cannot do that, but I promise you the exercises I planned to today, it took me, sir, more than 7 days to plan this exercise set. So it has covered OCD. I promise you, please do this. And then, you know what, negativity, we cannot fight Ravana is great, he is strong. I cannot fight negativity. I will increase Rao. So if I have any problem, then we have to speak, think positive, and exercises I told you, keep on doing it daily. Do them daily, and then you will get better things. Maybe we can follow up these things, right? Okay.
So what kind of exercise you are?
So the exercise I told you, I made to everybody. Were you there in the last 60 minutes? Actually, I made everybody do it, and everybody did it. I'm so happy, you know. I'm really very happy. Everybody did it. So I made this set. If 60 minutes, I made you do 20 minutes exercises, right? So you get some practical knowledge, not just theory. Theory everybody can do, but I'm here to give you some practical knowledge. OCD के लिए the neck movement wala exercise will help them, and the closing of the palming will help a lot, sir. Definitely, the person has to do at least 10 times in a day.
Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Abhishek is saying marvelous session. Thank you, sir. Somebody is saying live session Facebook. No, now I'm linked with your this company, and you know, online I am available, but then I think this company is giving us a nice platform. So maybe you can ask for more sessions. Online Facebook live, you have to ask Saurabh and Divakar. You know, if you like it, I am always ready. Now, somebody has a question that is my mind is negative thought. I'm very happy. I am the most negative person in the world. And I accept it. And that is the biggest thing I'm doing. Because I'm human. Congratulations. I'm normal human being. If I'm not negative, I'm acting. I remember a friend of mine in college, and today she's the head of a very big institute in India. But since college time, she never approached. She thought we are not there. We don't exist. Right? Fine. So she was always negative, but we were positive towards her. And today, after 20 years, she comes back and say hi to us. We were positive. She's a friend. She'll call back. So I will be happy. I'll be happy. The world will be happy. Don't worry. We can have a session on that separately if needed. Thank you. Yes. Any other questions?
Anyone else can unmute and ask directly question. I would prefer if you directly speak to sir.
Sir, how to overcome laziness?
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name and question, please. Your name and question.
Yeah, please, one by one.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I can hear you.
Sir, how to handle negative people with negative energy?
You know what? The best way is to accept them, love them, and forgive them. It's very hard. Initially scream at them and then avoid them. And I will tell you this method. I can, if sir, do we have 2 more minutes? Sorry, sir, do we have 2 more minutes? Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Please go ahead.
This is a very important question. I was waiting somebody to ask this. Can I see your face, ma'am? I want to know who is this wonderful person who has this question. If you can unmute yourself. Thank you. Now, this technique has worked with me. There was this person, and he works in a government department, and he keeps on giving me contacts of big people, VIP people. You talk to them. He's irritating me. So I did this thing. See, you close your eyes, think of the person, and think there's an umbilical cord, mother child, no, from a navel point, nabi, stomach. There's a cord linking you and that person. Okay, take a scissor, cut it, and say that I am cutting all relations with you. Close your eyes and do this. Try it out. It works. It will take a few days. You may have to do it once or twice or thrice, but it will work. Okay, you are you, I am me myself, but I don't need you. I'm staying away. Stay away. Right? Please try this. I want your feedback on this. This
Okay,
is a
sir.
very lovely question. You have made
Okay,
my
sir.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, next question. Anybody, please? I'm so sorry, everybody. I cannot handle all the questions because every case is different. Somebody is asking about insomnia, somebody about OCD, somebody, and I'm a dietitian. This is my topic. So I'll keep on talking for many hours. Then sir will scold at me, you are taking more time. So definitely, this was an introduction session. I have tried to cover everything. I have tried to cover men and women exercises in the things I showed you, right? Of all age groups I have made. I had made this for all the diseases. Next time, if you want, we can have a continuation of this. I would love to do that. And I can do specific, insomnia, OCD wise, everything wise. Thank you. Yes, next question, please.
Yes, participants, kindly ask question related to today's topic only, because sir has given the wonderful interaction. So what happened if you ask related to today's topic, it will be very fruitful for interaction. And then clinical part, sir can handle in a different session.
Yes.
That will be updated to you.
And sir, somebody is asking for
Anybody has any
Facebook Live,
question, please?
Facebook Live or YouTube. You can type my name, Vivek Shukla, you will get it. But our company, this company is doing wonderful. I would love to be on this platform. I'm ready to come daily. Because I'm loving it the way everybody participates. I'm feeling so good. So this I love this company because they are doing they did nice management. So I'll be very happy to be on live. Live what happens. This is more better. This is more live. This is more personalized, right? Okay, negative thinking people in the close family. You know what? It has happened to me. It has happened to me. It happens to everybody. And I see everybody is a nuclear family. Everybody negative people. I hate my bua, my dad's sister. I have told her that. It took me 15 years. The day I told her I don't like you, I was feeling so good. I know she doesn't like me. I don't like her. And that's the fact, right? But then the day I told her, I felt so good. I felt so happy, so relieved. She was shocked. She was shocked because she used to play all the mind games with me, But then I told her, I don't like you. And I felt so good. Speaking is very important sometimes, right? Gastric problem. Somebody is asking gastric problem. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I told you scooter fall. Last year, sir, this is true. My toes are still paining. Last year, June, I had scooter fall. And the doctor told me, homeopath doctor, he made me realize it is a thinking problem. Thinking problems, scooter, yes, it is related. Stress directly affects gastric. Yes. Especially more for women than for men, it directly affects the digestive system. Women being more sensitive, they start eating less, which always creates more problem and the cycle continues. So all the women, if you have issues, and same for men, please eat variety. Then your stress, you have to give energy to your brain, right? Negative thinking life partner, I mean that is a national problem in our country. We should have a special session for that.
Another epidemic.
You can't help it. Yes. How to control anger? Yes. Please speak. I would love if you want to control anger. Shout. See how I'm shouting. Actually, I'm releasing all my anger. I was angry with my teachers and friends 20 years ago, so I'm releasing all this energy by speaking to you. No, you have to speak out. Going great session. Thank you. Somebody says that feels good after talking for 1 hour. Actually, I don't like talking too much, but everybody's mute and nobody's showing the faces. But then suddenly everybody was doing exercises. I'm feeling so good. Yes.
Now they have
Any question?
heard it very patiently and they have done all the
Yeah.
exercises.
I
feel
can't.
it and,
I can't hear to people for 1 hour.
Yeah. And there is
Thank
a
you.
question from Raghunath that
Yes.
how to overcome laziness.
Sir, you are asking the laziest person in the world. For your one session, it took me 7 days. I just slept and slept. Congratulations, sir. Actually, sleeping is the indication that my mind is working more. I am doing mental activity. Okay. I do one show in 1 day or 2 days. That's my bread and butter. Okay. I don't work for 9 hours. It is my life. So, but then I have to think for 8 hours. So I sleep. And my wife is, you're sleeping the whole day and whole night. But actually, I'm earning money by sleeping. Wow. Laziness is very good. Laziness is a sign of intelligence. So be happy. Next time, I would love to have sessions. If you can please give a feedback, written feedback to sir, so that we can plan something for you. I mean, I would love to do that, definitely.
Thank you so much, sir, for your very patient answer and listening, everyone.
I'm so sorry. I could give you only so much knowledge in 1 hour. I'm so sorry. Made everybody
no, sir, it was a
dance and
wonderful
exercise.
session. And like my whole team is connected throughout with the session. Even CEO sir has connected on video just now. And we were connected and we were watching all these things. Though we are physio and we learn a lot of exercises, we do a lot of things, but still the kind of incorporation and indulgement of the exercises in between your lectures and the kind of thing was simply amazing, what I can say. That was my view, because this is not actually the platform, I can say my personal problem, but I have suffered a lot during Corona pandemic, right from my personal to professional thing. And my teammates, I'm thankful to my family and my teammates who have been always keeping me high. But the thing is like what you said today, 100% followable thing. So 100% everyone must follow. It was a wonderful, amazing and brilliant interaction you gave. And we would love to have you periodically on this platform. And then you can give us your module or something like that. I think CEO sir will be talking to you about it. So participants, you'll be getting the feedback link at the end of the session on your mail. Kindly submit it, because the wonderful person like Dr. Vivek Shukla, we can only find only when you give your feedback. And then, our team works really very hard on the ground to find the, in Hindi, we say the word called Nagina. So that kind of person like Dr. Vivek Shukla and our other instructors, we are very happy. And this Corona pandemic, we have been very busy in conducting our event. So definitely it's good that in pandemic, we are at least able to connect to the good people, because usually they don't have much time. And then this time they are busy. Sunday, they are with the holidays and with the family. So I think in the Corona pandemic, at least we are going to have a good interaction with across the globe with the good people, because they are at home. So that is something, a good part about the pandemic. I don't know, I may be wrong, but this is what I found positive about the Corona pandemic.
No, you're absolutely correct only, sir.
Yeah, thank you. One thing what Dr. Vivek said, that don't watch much news channels, that's also correct, because they'll be displaying the Corona figures like cricket score. And then when I say in my family that this is all are doing because tomorrow if the vaccine will come, people will be in the queue to take the vaccine.
So that is also stress.
That is also another stress. So my wife will be saying that I think you are talking against these drug people, so we should not talk about they'll be after you. So that is also true.
Okay. Divakar is there, I think. Divakar?
I think he's busy with something. Busy with writing something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Kalim sir is not. He's also busy.
Yeah. So can we conclude, or?
Yeah. With your permission, sir, can we conclude? Thank you so much.
So you're coming with a new topic.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thanks all participants. Thank you so much.
Thank you.